Rad Power electric bikes have become a standout option in the e-bike market, offering a unique combination of affordability and performance. With these bikes, you don't have to sacrifice power or battery life for a lower price point. In fact, Rad Power bikes deliver exactly what you need for a seamless and enjoyable riding experience. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Rad Power electric bikes you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. Rad Power RadExpand 5. Introducing the RadExpand 5, the ultimate electric bike that combines versatility, power, and convenience. This bike is designed for the modern urban adventurer who wants to explore the city in a new and exciting way. With a 624 watt-hour battery, a 750-watt motor, and a 7-speed transmission system, the RadExpand 5 delivers a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of 25 to 45 miles. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring new trails, this bike has got you covered. The bike is super easy to fold and comes with 4-inch wide tires that offer stability, even on bumpy terrain. The step-through frame makes it a breeze to mount, and the rear carrier can hold up to 55 pounds of gear. The plastic fenders on the front and back prevent any unwanted splashback, and the built-in stand ensures that the bike stays upright when not in use. The right-hand twist throttle makes it easy to increase speed, and the mechanical disc brakes ensure quick and easy stops. With its payload capacity of up to 275 pounds, this bike is perfect for people of all sizes and abilities. Number 4. Rad Power RadCity 5 Plus. The RadCity 5 Plus is the ultimate solution for anyone seeking a stylish and efficient e-bike. With its powerful 672 watt-hour battery and 750-watt motor, riders can conquer even the toughest terrain with ease. The bike has a weight capacity of up to 275 pounds, and its rear rack can carry loads up to 59.5 pounds. The front suspension fork provides a comfortable ride even on bumpy terrain, while the front and rear fenders prevent any unwanted splashes. The aluminum step-through frame makes it easy to mount, and the nut hydraulic disc brakes ensure a quick stop. The bike features integrated front and rear lights for night riding and a twist throttle for swift acceleration. Its pedal assist offers 5 levels to choose from, and it can travel more than 50 miles under optimum conditions. The 2 LED displays provide all the necessary information, and the top speed hovers around 20 miles per hour. The only area for improvement could be its cable management system. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring nature, the RadCity 5 Plus will get you there in style and comfort. Number 3. Rad Power RadWagon 4. The RadWagon 4 is an innovative cargo e-bike that offers both style and functionality. With its powerful 750-watt motor and 672 watt-hour battery, this bike is capable of handling riders or cargo weighing up to 350 pounds. The bike's battery can last for up to 25 miles on the highest level of pedal assistance, making it perfect for commuting or carrying groceries. The bike's Tektro 180mm mechanical disc brakes provide exceptional stopping power, and the twist grip throttle is easy to handle. The bike's smooth handling and Velo plush saddle make for a comfortable ride, and the handlebars are adjustable by 80 degrees, allowing riders to find the perfect riding position. The RadWagon 4 also features a large LCD display that provides riders with important information such as speed, mileage, and battery life. The bike's dual-leg kickstand provides stability when not in motion, and the front and rear luggage racks can support a combined weight of 350 pounds, making it the perfect choice for carrying all your essentials. With its unique design and impressive features, the RadWagon 4 is the ultimate choice for anyone looking for a reliable and stylish e-bike. Number 2. Rad Power RadRunner 2. The RadRunner 2 is a truly unique electric bike that offers the best of both worlds, the convenience of a moped and the cargo capacity of a bike. This electric bike is powered by a 750-watt rear hub motor, reaching a top speed of 20 miles per hour and boasts a 672-watt-hour battery that offers a range of up to 45 miles. The battery requires about 6 hours to charge to full capacity, making it a great option for daily commutes. With a weight of 64.4 pounds and a max weight capacity of 300 pounds, the RadRunner 2 is designed to handle heavy loads with ease. Riders will appreciate the 4 pedal assist settings, as well as the rear luggage rack that can support up to 120 pounds. The bike's Tektro-mechanical disc brakes provide excellent stopping power, while the front and rear headlights offer excellent visibility when riding at night. The RadRunner 2 comes fully assembled, making it convenient and ready to ride straight out of the box. Whether you're looking for a bike that can handle heavy loads or simply want a convenient and efficient mode of transportation, the RadRunner 2 is an excellent choice. Number 1. Rad Power RadRover 6 Plus. The RadRover 6 Plus is the perfect solution for anyone seeking a smooth, easy-to-assemble electric bike. This model stands out for its puncture-proof tires and clean design. The 2-hour assembly process is a breeze, and the inclusion of front and rear fenders ensure a comfortable ride, even on muddy terrain. With a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour and a high-capacity 672-watt-hour battery, this bike can take riders up to 45 miles on a single charge, with a weight limit of 275 pounds. The dual displays on the handlebar provide riders with important information such as speed, battery life, and distance traveled, while the throttle ensures a smooth acceleration experience. The 5 levels of pedal assist allow riders to choose their preferred speed, and the LED headlight provides excellent visibility. The hydraulic disc brakes ensure a quick and safe stop, and the 750-watt geared hub motor easily handles inclines. This bike may be slightly heavier at 73.5 pounds, but its many features make up for it. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.